All right, guys, let's go to the next method right here. Okay, so method number three, using quadratic formula. So this method is very simple. Basically, this is very straightforward, right? You just apply the formula. That's it. Okay. So before you apply the formula, let's take a look at the equation right here. The equation 2x squared minus 9x plus 7 equals 0. And then as usual, you need to identify A, B, C. A equal 2, B equal negative 9, and C equal 7. All right, so what you need to do is to find discriminant, okay? So discriminant, okay? Discriminant, okay? We use the triangle thing right here, okay? This equal delta, okay? Delta equal B squared minus 4AC, okay? So it can be equal B, it will be negative 9. So negative 9, if you want to use a calculator, you need to be careful, okay? This is negative 9, you put negative 9 inside parentheses and you put square outside like this, okay? Minus 4 times A equal 2 and C equal 7, all right? And then 9 and negative 9 square equal 81. This is 4 times 2 times 7. It could be 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7, it could be 56. So 81 minus 56, it should be 25. Okay? Because 25 greater than 0. So the equation has two solutions. Okay? The first solution, S1 equal negative b plus square root of delta over 2a. And then you just substitute value negative b, which means b equal negative 9, so it turned out to be positive 9 plus square root of delta. Delta equal 25, so it should be square root of 25 right here over 2 times a equal 2, so 2 times 2. Okay, square root of 25 equal 4. Sorry, square root of 25 equal 5. 5 plus 9 equal 14. 14 divided by 4, right? 4 divided by 4 equal 7 over 2. Okay, you just simplify it. Or you can write 3.5, that's right, 3.5. Okay, now S2 equal negative b minus square root of delta over 2a and equal, okay, again, it should be negative b, so b equal negative 9, so it should be positive 9 minus square root of 25, okay, over 2a, a equal 2, so 2 times 2, and then when you simplify this one, okay, 9 minus 5 equal 4 over 4, so the answer is 1, and then you see that the third method gives you the same answer, 1 and then 3.5 right here. It's exactly the same thing right here, okay? All right, so we're done with the third method. Very simple, very straightforward, okay? We're gonna move on to the method number 4. Method number 4, we use a calculator, okay? Use TI-84 plus CE calculator. All right, so again, it should be in the standard form like this. 2x squared minus 9x plus 7 equals 0, okay? Equals 0. So what you need to do is to print up the TI-84 plus C calculator, okay? So here's my calculator, okay? This one right here. So let me put it right here. Let me see. Let me put it right here. Okay, right here. Okay. All right. All right. So what you need to do is to hit y equal. Okay. Now you need to input the value right here. Input the equation. So equation should be 2x squared minus 9x plus 7. So you put 2x squared. All right. Minus 9x. All right. Plus 7. All right. And then you need to hit the window right here. Okay. You adjust the window range. All right. Hit the window. All right. Before you hit the window, okay, you need to hit graph first. Okay. To see if the graph show up. Oh, the graph show up pretty well right here. Okay. So look, if you hit the window, you see that this is the window range. This is the best window range, negative 10, 10, right? The minimum value of S, the maximum value of S, and this is a scale, minimum value of Y, maximum value of Y, and then this is the scale of Y axis, negative 10, 10, 1, negative 10, 10, and 1. So that's pretty good, right? Hit graph, it should be right here. Now, we need to find the zero. Okay, guys, you need to find the zero of this quadratic function right here. The zero right here, the zero is the x-intercept. That is your answer. Okay, now you know that the answer should be 3.5 and 1. Okay, so we obviously, if you look at this one, you see that x equal 1 right here. But anyway, we need to you need to find it to see if it's right or wrong. Okay, so basically you need to hit second choice right here, second choice. Okay, now you need to find zero, so you see that number 2 right here, zero, hit number 2. All right, now in order to find the zero, you see the cursor right here, the cursor right here. You need to move the cursors from left to right of the zero. Okay, so I move close to zero right here, because zero right here, now the cursor must be go from left to right. Okay, keep that in mind, left to right. Okay, hit enter. You see the first slide right here, you see that. Now you move your cursor to the right of zero, the right of zero right here. You hit enter. All right. Now you move the cursor to the middle of two lines right here. You see that? All right. Right here. And you hit enter. Now your answer on the bottom right here, the zero x equal 1. Okay. Zero which means y equal 0 right here. Okay. So x equal 1. This is your zero. Okay. The first zero, that is the x-intercept. So you look at this one, s equal 1. That's pretty good. That's the answer. Okay. Now we need to find the second zero right here. Okay. Again, you hit second choice. Okay. Hit number 2 again. Hit number 2. All right. Now you go to the second zero, close to zero. This is, remember, left to right. Okay. So this is it's close to zero. You hit enter. Now you go move your cursor to the right of zero right here, to the right of zero. You hit enter. Now you move back to the middle right here. All right, you hit enter and you see that the second zero right here, s equal 3.5, which is 7/2. You see that? And then you need to check it. Y equal 0 right here. That's equal 0. Okay. So you have 2 zeros, 7/2, and 1, which is right here. Okay. All right, so we finished the method number 4, graphing. Okay, now we're going to move on to the last method. The last method right here is new to you. Okay, so the Veta formula. Okay, so the Veta formula say what? We have a trick. Okay, all right, I'm going to have another video to talk about the Veta formula. Pretty deeply about this formula. Okay, so let's see this one. All right, so we have a trick using this formula. A trick. So the trick say what? If A plus B plus C equal 0, okay, you have two solutions. The first solution always is equal 1. Okay, the first solution always equal 1. Okay, the second solution, oh, I call this S1. The second solution is going to be S2 equal C over A. Okay, now this is the first case. What about the second one? If A minus B plus C equal 0, and then the first solution must be equal -1. The second solution must be equal -C over A. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this example to see if it falls into the first or the second case. Okay. So we have A plus B plus C. Let's check. A equal 2, B equal -9, and C equal 7. Oh, yes. So it's falls into the first case. Okay. So we have A. Let's see. A. We check it. A plus B plus C equal 2 minus 9 plus 7, and it's going to be equal 0. So it's turned out to be the first case right here. And then we have two solutions, S1 equal C, oh sorry, S1 equal 1. Okay, S1 equal 1 right here. We use this one. Alright, now S2 equals C over A. Okay, C equals 7. A equals 2. Alright, done. So we have two solutions. Done. Alright, it's exactly right here.